Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of numismatics, focusing on a tiny but historically rich denomination, the British one-penny coin. Join us as we uncover its value, history, and hidden treasures. The humble one-penny coin may seem insignificant at first glance, but its story is anything but ordinary. Let's start by exploring its value. The value of a British one-penny coin can vary widely depending on several factors, including its age, condition, and rarity. While most modern one-penny coins are made of copper-plated steel and have little numismatic value, older versions can be quite valuable to collectors. For example, the 1933 British one-penny coin is one of the rarest and most sought-after coins in the world. Only a handful were minted, and those that exist are highly prized by collectors. In fact, a 1933 one-penny coin sold for over £100,000 at auction in 2016. The humble one-penny coin may seem insignificant at first glance, but it holds a wealth of history within its small circumference. Let's take a journey back in time to discover what makes T. To come.in conclusion, the United Kingdom one-penny coin from 1985 to 1997 may be small in denomination, but its significance is immeasurable. From its iconic design to its historical context, these coins serve as reminders of the rich heritage and cultural legacy of the UK. Our journey begins with the 1985 one-penny coin. Crafted with precision at the Royal Mint, this coin features the iconic crowned portcullis design on the reverse, symbolizing the strength and security of the British Parliament. On the obverse, we have the elegant portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, a staple of British currency during this era. Moving on to 1992, we encounter another intriguing specimen. This one-penny coin bears witness to a significant milestone in British numismatic history, the introduction of a new, smaller coinage series. The design remains faithful to its predecessors, with the addition of the E-Mint mark denoting the Royal Mint in Lantricent, Wales. As we journey through the years, each one-penny coin tells a unique tale of its time. From economic fluctuations to cultural shifts, these coins serve as tangible reminders of special. In 1985, Margaret Thatcher was in her second term as Prime Minister, and the United Kingdom was undergoing significant social and economic changes. It was against this backdrop that the one-penny coin of the era was minted. The obverse side features the portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, as designed by Raphael Maklouf. Meanwhile, the reverse side showcases the iconic image of Britannia, a symbol of British strength and resilience. During this time period, the composition of the one-penny coin remained unchanged, being primarily made of bronze. However, despite its nominal value, the coin played a significant role in everyday transactions and held sentimental value for many. The years between 1985 and 1997 saw various commemorative designs and special editions of the one-penny coin, making them highly sought after by collectors. From celebrating important anniversaries to honoring cultural icons, these coins capture the essence of their time. For collectors, acquiring one-penny coins from this era is not just about owning a piece of currency, it's about preserving a piece of history. Each coin tells a story and provides a glimpse into the past, making them cherished treasures for generations. The one-penny coin has also featured various commemorative designs, celebrating significant events and milestones in British history. From the celebration of royal weddings to marking the centenary of the First World War, these special edition coins add a unique flair to any collection and serve as poignant reminders of the past. For collectors, the UK one-penny coin holds both sentimental and monetary value. While many pennies are still in circulation, some editions, particularly those with rare designs or minting errors, can fetch high prices on the collector's market. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a beginner looking to start your collection, the UK one-penny coin offers a treasure trove of possibilities. And there you have it, folks, the United Kingdom one-penny coin. A small yet significant piece of British history. From its humble beginnings to its enduring legacy, this coin encapsulates the spirit of a nation and serves as a tangible reminder of the past. Before we delve into the specifics of the one-penny coin from the UK, let's take a quick look at its significance. The penny has a long and storied history, dating back to Anglo-Saxon times. Its heritage. Whether in pristine condition or gently circulated, each coin has its own charm and character. Now, let's talk about the condition of these coins. While some may show signs of wear due to circulation, others may have been carefully preserved, retaining their original luster. Collectors often seek coins in excellent condition, known as mint state, to add to their collections. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a beginner enthusiast, exploring the world of coin collecting is a rewarding experience. From historical research to the thrill of the hunt, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So why not start your own coin collection personification of Britain, seated with a trident in one hand and a shield in the other? Britannia symbolizes the strength and resilience of the British nation, and her presence on the coin reflects the country's maritime history and imperial legacy. The UK 1 penny coin has evolved significantly since its inception. In 1971, the coin underwent a major change when it transitioned from being primarily composed of copper to a copper-plated steel construction. This change was driven by economic factors and the rising cost of copper. Despite the change in composition, factors such as circulation, handling and storage. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition, meaning they have never been used in commerce, tend to fetch higher prices among collectors. On the other hand, coins that have been heavily circulated may show signs of wear and tear, such as scratches, dents, or discoloration. Regardless of condition, each coin tells a unique story and provides a glimpse into the past. And there you have it, folks. A brief journey through the history and condition of the United Kingdom 1 penny coin from 1985 to 1997. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, I hope you found this exploration both informative and enjoyable. Until next time, happy collecting.